Hey friends, I want to ask you, do you ever allow yourself to fully feel proud of yourself? I know for me, going into this year, it was actually an intention I set. I actually made it word of the year. I made it be proud because I tend to gloss over that for myself for whatever reason. And last night, I actually let myself feel proud, genuinely. And my story is I have come so far to feel confident. And for example, last night, I was taking my dance class and the instructor wanted to video us. And the old me would have ran for the hills. First of all, the old me wouldn't have even been in that class. Let's just be honest. I would have just hid at the idea of taking that class. And I love that class. So I feel proud that I even stepped foot in that class. I'm proud that I show up to that class, the dance class, and that now I even sometimes stand in the front. A lot of the times I stand in the front. And then last night, allowing myself to get videoed, and then she even put it on her Instagram. And I just think, wow, what a difference, because I was never that person. If you want to know how crazy my visibility journey has become, how far I've come, I am not joking when I tell you this. When I was a little kid, I would lay in bed at night and stress out about ideas of graduating because I didn't want to get in front of people during graduation. I dropped out of sports and any classes where there was a recital. I dropped out of sports because there were games that there was an audience watching me. I know it was me on a team, but I didn't want any audience on me ever. This is crazy, but I didn't want to have a wedding because I didn't want to have any attention on me at all. So that's my background. So when I reflect on how scared I was of even attending a graduation ceremony, I am very excited about, wow, growth is real. You can actually transform your confidence. And I think that's why I'm so passionate about the confidence coaching I do with other women. It's because I've seen how much it works. And it's possible to get out of your own way. It is possible to get out of perfectionism. It is possible to get out of imposter syndrome and into a feeling of safety within yourself, a feeling of being embodied in your own confidence. And I used to abandon myself. I used to literally, I feel like I would leave my body and just sort of, I don't know, maybe that's part of being an empath. I don't know. But all I know is that the work I've done on myself has paid off, and the work I do with my coaching clients for all these years has been phenomenal to witness. It is such an honor. And so I just had to share that with you today. And I want to ask you two things. Number one, do you let yourself feel proud of yourself? Do you ever track your growth and go, wow, look how far I've come? And it doesn't matter, like it can be something tiny, it could be something big, I don't know. So that's the first question. And the second question is, do you have any visibility blocks? Do you have blocks with confidence? Do you have that sense that you're scared to let your light shine? If the answer is yes, please reach out to me. I have a free confidence breakthrough call, and I would love to help you with that. Okay? So I hope you're having a beautiful week so far. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And with all my heart, I am so grateful you're here. And please subscribe if you haven't already, because I always have more to come. And I just love connecting with you. All right, I'm Shell Dransart, by the way, and I'm grateful you're here. Feel free to share this with your friends.